For MSMEs, simpler compliance and lower rates will cut costs, encourage the formalization of the unorganized sector, and expand the tax base. On the consumer side, cheaper goods will increase purchasing power. The expected reduction of prices for white goods should boost demand in the consumer durable sector. The GST system in India is set for huge changes in the future. The government wants to make it all simpler, more predictable and more compliant. The next generation GST reforms are likely to address structural issues, lower tax rates on essential goods and support MSMEs. By Diwali 2025, as the implication of changes to the GST law begin to take effect, both business and consumers can expect a tax system that is more efficient, transparent, and growth focused. India is preparing for GST reforms in September-October 2025, with a significant reform expected to simplify the tax structure and make compliance easier. The GST changes indicate reducing GST slabs to fewer, fixing inverted tax structure and lowering GST rates on daily essential, packaged foods, electronics and insurance. It is scheduled to launch by Diwali 2025 as highlighted in the Prime Minister's Independence Day address. The changes aim to reduce the tax burden, empower MSMEs and boost economic growth. On the 79th Independence Day, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi emphasized GST as an important reform. He called for new GST reforms, some of which are listed below, to help common people, farmers, the middle class and MSMEs. The government proposals, which were sent to the GST Council's group of ministers on rate rationalization, aim to strengthen industries, increase economic activity and promote growth. The centre has proposed the new GST reform. The new GST regime, GST 2.0, intends to simplify the tax structure by decreasing the slabs and changing rates. Industry experts expect significant changes that could lower the price of necessary goods, decrease insurance premiums and shift high consumption goods into lower tax brackets. Nearly 90% of items in the current 28% slab potentially may be moved to the 18% slab. Almost 99% slab are expected to move the 5% slab. The proposed next generation GST reform do more than just cut rates. They are expected to create a significant economic impact. By fixing inverted tax structure, these reforms will free up working capital, improve manufacturing competitiveness